Hello friends, welcome to my channel. You are watching Errol Suresh YouTube channel. Friends, in this video let's discuss previous exam bits from the topic Plant Kingdom. If you think these videos are very much helpful in your preparation, please support my channel by giving like and sharing this video to your friends and by giving your valuable comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's see the topic. Phylogenetic system of classification is based on morphological features, chemical constituents, floral characters, evolutionary relationships. The correct answer is option D, evolutionary relationships. Phenetic classification of organisms is based on observable characteristics of existing organisms, the ancestral lineage of existing organisms, dendrogram based on the DNA characteristics, sexual characteristics. Answer is option A, observable characteristics of existing organisms. A system of classification in which a large number of traits are considered is natural system, phylogenetic system, artificial system, and synthetic system. Answer is option A, natural system. Phylogenetic classification is one which is based on overall similarities, utilitarian system, habits of plants, common evolutionary descent. Answer is option D, common evolutionary descent. System of classification used by Linnaeus was natural system, artificial system, phylogenetic system, asexual system. Answer is option B, artificial system. Artificial system of classification was first used by Linnaeus, De Candolle, Pliny the Elder, Bentham and Hooker. Answer is option A, Linnaeus. Classification given by Bentham and Hooker is artificial, natural, phylogenetic, numerical. Answer is option B, natural. Floridian starch has structure similar to starch and cellulose, amylopectin and glycogen, mannitol and algin, laminarin and cellulose. Answer is option B, amylopectin and glycogen. Which of the following pairs is of unicellular algae? Laminaria and Sargassum, Gelidium and Gracilaria, Anabina and Volvox, Chlorella and Spirulina. Answer is option D, Chlorella and Spirulina. An example of colonial alga is Volvox, Ulothrix, Spirogyra, Chlorella. Answer is option A, Volvox. Which one of the following statement is wrong? Algae increase the level of dissolved oxygen in the immediate environment. Algin is obtained from red algae and carrageenan from brown algae. Agar-agar is obtained from Gelidium and Gracilaria. And Laminaria and Sargassum are used as food. Now the correct answer is option B. Algin is obtained from red algae and carrageenan from brown algae. Which one of the following statements is wrong? Chlorella and spirulina are used as space food. Mannitol is stored food in rhodophyceae. Algin and carrageenan are products of algae. Agar-agar is obtained from Gelidium and Gracilaria. Correct answer is option B. Mannitol is stored food in rhodophyceae. Male gametes are flagellated in Ectocarpus, Spirogyra, Polysyphonia, Anabina. Answer is option A, Ectocarpus. Which one of the following is wrong about Chara? Upper oogonium and lower round antheridium, globule and nucleus present on the same plant. Upper antheridium and lower oogonium, globule is male reproductive structure. Answer is option C, upper antheridium and lower oogonium. Which one of the following shows isogamy with non-flagellated gametes? Sargassum, Ectocarpus, Ulothrix and Spirogyra. Answer is option D, Spirogyra. Select the wrong statement. In oomycetes, female gamete is smaller and motile, while male gamete is larger and non-motile. Chlamydomonas exhibits both isogamy and anisogamy, and Fucus shows oogamy. Isogametes are similar in structure, function and behavior. Anisogametes differ either in structure, function or behavior. Correct answer is option A. In oosomites, female gamete is smaller and motile, while male gamete is larger and non-motile. Isogamous condition with non-flagellated gametes is found in Volvox, Fucus, Chlamydomonas, Spirogyra. Answer is option D, Spirogyra. Monoecious plant of Cara shows occurrence of upper antheridium and lower oogonium on the same plant, upper oogonium and lower antheridium on the same plant, antheridiophore and archegoniophore on the same plant, stamen and carpel on the same plant. Right answer is option B, upper oogonium and lower antheridium on the same plant. Which one of the following is wrongly matched? Spirogyra, motile gametes, sargassum, chlorophyll, Basidiomycetes, puffballs, nostoc, water blooms. Correct answer is option A, Spirogyra, motile gametes. Algae have cells made up of cellulose, galactans and mannans, hemicellulose, pectins and proteins, pectins, cellulose and proteins, cellulose, hemicellulose and pectins. Right answer is option A, cellulose, galactans and mannans. Mannitol is the stored food in Porphyra, Fucus, Gracilaria, Cara. Right answer is option B, Fucus. If you are asked to classify the various algae into distinct groups, which of the following characters you should choose? Nature of stored food material in the cell, structural organization of thallus, chemical composition of the cell wall, types of pigments present in the cell. Correct answer is option D, types of pigments present in the cell. Sexual reproduction in Spirogyra is an advanced feature because it shows different sizes of motile sex organs, same size of motile sex organs, morphologically different sex organs, and physiologically differentiated sex organs. Right answer is option D, physiologically differentiated sex organs. A student observed an algae with chlorophyll A, B and phycoerythrin. It should belong to Phaeophyta, Rhodophyta, Chlorophyta, Basilariophita. Right answer is option B, Rhodophyta. Ulothrix can be described as a filamentous alga lacking flagellated reproductive stages, membranous alga producing zoospores, filamentous alga with flagellated reproductive stages, non-motile colonial alga lacking zoospores. Right answer is option C, filamentous alga with flagellated reproductive stages. An alga very rich in protein is Chlorella, nostoc, Spirogyra, Ulothrix. Answer is option A, Chlorella. Ulothrix filaments produce heterogametes, basidiophores, isogametes, anisogametes. Answer is option C, isogametes. Brown algae is characterized by the presence of fucoxanthin, hematochrome, phycocyanin, phycoerythrin. Right answer is option A, fucoxanthin. The pyrenoids are made up of proteinaceous center and starchy sheath, core of nucleic acid surrounded by protein sheath, core of protein surrounded by fatty sheath, core of starch surrounded by sheath of protein. Correct answer is option A, proteinaceous center and starchy sheath. In Chlorophyceae, the mode of sexual reproduction is isogamy, anisogamy, oogamy, all of these. Correct answer is option D, all of these. Pyrenoids are the centers of formation of porphyra, enzymes, fat, starch. Right answer is option D, starch. Chloroplast of Chlamydomonas is stellate, cup-shaped, collar-shaped, spiral. Correct answer is option B, cup-shaped. In Ulothrix, Spirogyra, reduction division, meiosis occurs at the time of gamete formation, zoospore formation, zygospore germination, vegetative reproduction. Right answer is option C, zygospore germination. The common mode of sexual reproduction in Chlamydomonas is isogamous, anisogamous, oogamous, hologamous. Correct answer is option A, isogamous. The product of conjugation in Spirogyra or fertilization of Chlamydomonas is zygospore, zoospore, oospore, carpospore. Right answer is option A, zygospore. Okay friends, from the same topic, remaining questions, I will prepare one more video. So until then, keep watching my channel. Thank you very much for watching.